Let's see how KMAP is working. What are the rules of KMAP? How to solve the questions of KMAP. This is the most important and 100% sure topic of your computer science. Through the KMAP you have to you are getting theory question also, and that KMAP question, that is simplification of Boolean algebra. Mostly we are using KMAP for the simplification of Boolean algebra. So here first of all, whenever we are doing KMAP, then we need to understand that how to make this table. This is the first thing. What is the meaning of this table and how to make this table? Here we are taking 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, different types of variables are there. This is the normally most of the time KMAP is coming with 4 variable. So when there are 4 variable, then the how you are writing and how to plot the values, that's most important. So here you can see we have taken 4 variable here, that is w, x, y and z. Now at the time of writing I wrote here wx, here yz. Now if you are writing here wx and here yz, then total value will change. That's why here which one you are writing and how you are writing, that's very important. As I wrote here wx, yz, so we are going to read in the sequence like this way, wx then yz. So that's why here now value 0 0 0 1, 1 0 is going here, 1 1 is coming here. Here also 0 0 0 1, after that 1 0 is going 1 and 1 1 is coming here. Why? Because we are changing at a time only one value. That is a rule. Whenever you are giving, if you are giving 0 1, after that 1 0, at a time 2 value will change. That's why we are shifting 1 0 here and 1 1 here. And because of that, your total cell value will also change. Here how we are writing cell value 0 0 0 0. This cell value is 0 0 0 0. This is w, x, y, z. That's why 0. Again this cell value is 0 0 0 1. W, x, y, z. In this sequence we are writing. That's why this is 1. Now see, this cell value is actually 0 0 1 0. That's why this one is 2. And this is 0 0 1 1, that's why this one is 3. So at the time of doing KMAP you have to remember 0 1, then 2 3. Same way you will get here 4 5 6 7. After that it is jumping to the next row 8 9 10 11. Then come back here 12 13 14 15, because of this switching here and here. Here also we are doing switching, where there also we are doing switching, and because of that only these cell values are changing. And if you are not plotting cell values correctly, then total KMAP will be wrong. That is most important to remember, that yes, how I am plotting the values in KMAP. Now if I am changing the rule here like this way, I am writing, sometimes maybe KMAP also given and it is given in this way, then how you will read, see that. Here is wx, here yz. Now how the cell value will change, see that. I have to read like this way, wx, yz. Now first I am reading this one, then I am reading this one. So that's why 0 0 0 1, 1 0 1 1, 0 0 0 1, 1 0 1 1. This cell is 0 0 0 0, that's why it is 0. It is okay. This is 0 0 0 0. Now see, wx 0 0 0 1. This one is 0 1, that's why this is 1. 0 0 1 0, this is 2. 0 0 1 1, this is 3. It is coming in column wise. here it was coming row wise, this is coming column wise. Now again you see that this one will be 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. As we change the order of WXYZ, that's why the cell value also change. So at the time of doing KMAP, most important you have to check in which way, where the variables given and in which direction we are reading. According to that, these cell values are also changing. Be careful here. Now in this one, if I am taking only two variables like A and B, then how to do? Only two variables are there. Two variables means 4 combination. Always whatever number of variable, how many cells will be there? 2 to the power n number of cell. So 2 variable means 4 cell. How I will make? Like this way. A this side, B this side. I am making here A 0 1 0 1. In this case, this is 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. After that 1 0, then 1 1. This is 0 1 2 3. Here no swapping, no change, because only 1 1 values are there. Now if I am doing 3 variable, for 3 variable, actually this is A, this is B. Here this one is A, this one is B. Now here if I am doing 3 variable, how to do? For 3 variable, this is A, this is B, this is C. So I will get 8 cells. 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now I will read like this way. 0 0 0, that's why 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is clear to everyone how we are drawing KMAP, how the table is coming. First of all, these tables are clear. And what is the meaning of 0 0? Now see that here 0 0 means there are two format. One is SOP format, another is POS format. SOP means sum of product, POS means product of sum. Sum of product and product of sum. Sum of product, whenever you are doing SOP, then this 0 0 means Y bar Z bar. This is Y bar Z. Y bar Z. This is YZ. This is YZ bar. This is W bar X bar. This is W bar X. 0 means bar, 1 means normal variable. 1 1 WX. 1 0 WX bar. This is as per SOP. If I am doing POS, it will change. As per POS, 0 0 means it will be Y plus Z. 0 0 means normal variable and we are going to take the plus here. This one will be Y plus Z bar. This one is Y bar plus Z bar. This is Y bar plus Z. In POS format, whenever you are writing, then this 0 0 only will change like this. Again, here it will be W plus X. This is W plus X bar. This one will be W bar plus X bar and this is W bar plus X. This way, at the time of POX, it will change. Product of sum. This mind mapping should be clear. Then we can go ahead for the remaining process. That is how to plot the values. What are the meaning? This is clear. Then I am going ahead to the rules of KMAP. What are the rules? Here you can see the rules of grouping in KMAP. Whenever you are doing grouping, then what are the rules you have to follow? Here these rules I am writing as per the SOP because some of the prom of product, most of the time they are asking that question. no 0 group cannot be included in any cell 0. Actually we are going to do grouping for 1. Whenever in what are the cell values we are getting 1, how we will place 1, that will be given as per the cell values. SOP format, they will give summation, some values will be given, those values we are going to put 1. In the POS they are giving like this project and some cell values, those cell values are 0 as per POS. So here SOP we are going to check where are 1. Now groups must be rectangular, it is not like circular or triangle, it is always rectangle shape. And the sides of the rectangle, size of the rectangle must be power of 2. This is size, sides not, this is size. Size of the rectangle must be power of 2. This is very important, means how many 1 you are able to make in the group. Either 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. It is not like even number. Sometimes you are doing mistake like 6, 1 you are doing grouping. No, 6, 1 you cannot do group. 12, 1 also you cannot do group. It should be in 2 to the power. Even also 1, 1 you can, because if it is not coming in any group, only 1 you are going to mark. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, these numbers we can make a group, otherwise not. Now here this is very important, as large as possible. Group should be as large as possible, means in a single group your target should be to cover maximum number of 1. Maybe I can make a group of 2, 1. And there is a chance of make a group of 4, 1 also. There is a chance of make a group of 8, 1 also. So always I have to go for the make a group of 8, 1, means larger number of 1 should be put in one group. Because whenever you are making the grouping more, size more, then your expression will be simplified. That is the benefit. Our target is we are going to simplify the expressions through the KMAP. That's why I am going to make the group as large as possible, so that my expression will be simplified. Every one should be covered, every cell with non-mark. So after finishing, whenever you are finishing, then all 1 should be covered. There should not be 1 also left. Every 1 should be covered. It should be come under at least one group. As few group as possible, use fewest number of group. The size of the group increase, but the number of group decrease, because if you are making many group, then there is no meaning. Try to make all 1 in a single group, or as less as possible number of group. So these 2 lines are very important. Few number of group and group size should be as large as possible. Overlapping also very important. Overlapping is allowed. I will show you the example. Overlapping means like some 1 you have taken here, and now you are going to take this one. This overlapping is also allowed. I can do that type of overlapping to make a grouping. Wrap around is also allowed. This is very important. Wrap around means corner cases, like this one and this one you can wrap around. This one and this one you can wrap around. All the corner together also you can wrap around. It is not a flat like that, it is a page. In this page there is KMAP, you have to think like that. This is a page where the KMAP is there. Any types of folding allowed, that is called wrap around. This corner some values are there, this corner some values are there. You can fold and you can take it. Even also this corner some values are there, you can fold. The corner also you can fold together and you can make the grouping. This is most important, where Maximum question you have to see like that. You have to check that wrap around is possible or not. Maximum question will be depending on this. Horizontal or vertical groups can be horizontal or vertical but not diagonal. Whenever you are making grouping, always group should be either this way or this way. It is not like diagonal. This type of diagonal is not possible. So let's see the image. By looking the image you will understand. See that this is wrap around happen. This is called that here I have taken some. And here also you will think that what is this X? These X are some don't care condition. Sometimes it is X. Sometimes we are using D also. This is called don't care condition. To make the grouping, I can take some don't care also. Okay. Here this is actually POS, because here we make the grouping of 0, and this is actually SOP. Here we make the grouping of 1. But at the time of making grouping, to make the group size larger, if there are some don't care condition, then you can include those in the grouping. Like see that here 2 1 was there, but 2 don't care also was there. So I make the grouping like with 4. It is not like this, because my target is to make the group larger. That's why we take this 4. Here we did the overlapping. This one overlapped, this one also overlapped. To cover this one and this one, we did this overlapping. So overlapping is allowed. Here also you saw that overlapping is allowed. And even also I took this corner. This corner is called wrapping. All these corner value we have taken. Here in this corner 2 1 was there. But we take the help of this don't care condition also to make the wrapping of 4. This is possible. This way we are able to make the grouping. Okay. But here you see that we are not doing like this diagonal grouping, because this diagonal grouping is not allowed. We cannot do like this. This is diagonal. We cannot do either horizontal or vertical. Now, here also you can see that whenever you are making grouping, this 1 and 1 already covered in one group, this 1 and 1 already covered in one group. Don't try to make unnecessary grouping. This grouping is actually unnecessary, because already you have covered. When someone is left, then you can try. When anyone is not left, then unnecessary don't make the group. This is no need, means unnecessary grouping it is. So don't try to make any unnecessary group. Whenever required, then only do it, otherwise don't do. There is no meaning of doing like that. Now, here also you can see this group overlapping is allowed here. This is overlapping, this is allowed. Here you are making 2 2 separately, this will give you wrong answer. Means why you see that? Here whenever I am taking all 4 1 together, then what result I will get? How to get the result? That is also most important to understand. Everyone concentrate, because expression how it is coming, most of the time you are getting confused here. Whenever you are taking a complete row or complete column, then this total AB, it was the AB row, AB is cancelled, because total row there are 4 1. So AB no need to take. Here I have to take only this one is 0. 0 means C bar. That's why in expression I will get here C bar. Now from this grouping, what result I will get? Here see that this column and this column is involved. So I am going to cancel this 0 and 1. 0 1, opposite 1 is cancelled. So 0 1 cancel means only 1 left. 1 means it is A. That means from here you are getting A. Now this row and this row is involved. In this row 0 and 1 will be cancelled. this is 0, this is 1, that's why it is cancelled. So you are getting only A here. Final expression is coming A plus C bar. This is your final expression after solving this K-map. Okay, but same K-map, if I am solved like this way, I am doing this grouping and this grouping, then what answer I am getting? See that this 0 and 1 will be cancelled. I will get here from this 0, that means A bar. 0 means A bar. This 0 is not cancelling, means this is C bar. So I am getting here A bar, C bar. Now from here 1 0 cancel, 1 1 left, 1 means A and this 0 means C bar, that's why it is A C bar. Now from this grouping what I am getting, same way 0 1 is cancelled, 1 left, that's why A, and this is 1, that's why it is C. So I am getting here C. Final expression is coming, see that A bar C bar plus A C bar plus AC. This is not the simplified version. It is the simplified version and this is the big expression I am getting. Actually this expression again we can minimized. Means I am not getting a simplified version. That's why in K-map this way is wrong. Because ultimately if I am doing again, then only I am getting correct answer. A bar C bar, after that I can take common A, now C bar plus C will be 1, now you will get here A plus A bar C bar, then it is A plus A bar B, that's why you can get it A plus C bar. So after this also I need to solve, that means this step was not correct. Because through this you are not getting the final answer, you have to do again more simplification because the grouping was not correct. When you are doing the grouping correctly, then in one chance only you are getting correct answer, simplified answer. Because cancellation is more, here cancellation is less. That's why grouping should be correct. In the group as much as possible take more number of 1 and do overlapping also, so that you are getting a simplified version. Concept clear? Why it is correct and why this is wrong? What is the purpose? Don't memorize anything. Try to understand conceptually why I am doing it. Anything is written in the book and you are just like memorizing it. There is no meaning. When you are trying to understand the meaning why I am doing it, then you will never forget this. Clear to everyone? Clear? And how the expression is coming, is that clear? How we are getting the expression? For the Karnaugh method also I am telling you how we will get the expression. This is the Karnaugh method, right? How I can get the expression for the Karnaugh, means Karnaugh wrapping or any other wrapping, how I can get the expression I am telling you. See that this is 4 Karnaugh I make the grouping. Now for this 4 Karnaugh, how to get the expression? First of all check this row and this row involved, and this column and this column involved. So see that how the cancellation is going on. Here this 0 and 1 will be cancelled. 0 1 you can cancel. 0 0 0 0 means B bar. So from here you are getting B bar. Now this column and this column involved means this 0 and 1 cancel. This 0 and 0 left means this is D bar. So you are getting here B bar D bar. From this all corner wrap around, after wrapping you are getting here B bar D bar. This is the way you need to find out the expression. Okay. If I am taking another one also, like another way of wrap around, maybe for I am drawing something to explain you. Here maybe I am trying to do wrap around like this. This is AB, this is CD. In your mind you have to do it, okay. So this is 1 1, this is 1 1. Now I am doing wrap around this one and this one. How the result will come? This is what? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now you see which column and which row is involved here. Here this column and this column involved, and this row and this row involved. So here 0 and 1 is cancelled. This 0, this 1 is cancelled. So 1 1 left. 1 means D. So means I am getting here D. After that this row and this row means this 0 and 1 cancel. So 0 0. This 0 0 left means this one is B bar. So ultimate answer you are getting B bar D. Got it? I am writing and I am cancelling. Don't do cancel in the paper. In your mind you have to do it, because multiple cancellation will be there. So don't cut it. Physically don't cut it. In mentally you have to cut. If you are physically cutting this, then another grouping you will be confused. In your mind you have to do, okay, here is 0 1, so CC cancel. So I have 1 means D. So I am getting here B bar D. Got it? Now here only if I am doing another grouping, what will happen? If my grouping is like this 1 1 1 1, here also 1 1 1 1. I am taking this and this. What will be the answer for this one? Can you tell me? You try this one. What will be the answer for this grouping? Here and here. Total 8 1 I have taken. What will be the answer for this? Tell me the answer. Yes. Here your answer will be, see that total all these will be cancelled, means AB actually cancel. Because all these row involved, when all row involved, then total cancel. Now this column and this column involved, so 0 1 cancel, 0 0 left, that means only D bar. So you will get here only D bar. What is my final answer? Only D bar, not CD bar, only D bar. So what is your final answer? You are getting D bar plus B bar D. This is your final answer, right? After solving this one, you are getting final answer D bar. From this one and from this grouping, you are doing B bar D bar. Is this correct one? Is this correct one now? Now it is not correct one. Because this grouping actually can be done like this one. Now because I have taken previously this 2 and this 2, that is 4. So actually it is possible to take all these 8. So if I am taking all these 8, then as this total row involved, so D will be cancelled here, only B will be left. So only in this case I will get only B bar. Only in this case it should be B bar. Because when all the 1 I have taken, after that then I can make a larger group. Instead of 4 I can take 8 also in this side. So if I am taking this 4 and this 4, then I am making 8 group. So after making 8 group, it will be only B bar. Because this total column is cancelled, means again CD will be cancelled. From here AA will be cancelled, you are getting B bar. So final answer you can get like D bar B bar. Okay. So at the time of doing grouping, you have to be very careful. As much as number of 1, take it and do the cancellation properly at the time of writing expression. Then only your answer will be correct, otherwise your answer will be wrong. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's see it is clear or not. By solving the question only I can understand that yes, your concept is clear or not. Normally they are asking 4 variable, but they can ask you 5 variable, 6 variable also. In the case of 5 variable, you can write like this way. This is 5 variable, AB one side, CDE another side. Same rule, 0001, 1011, here 000001, here 010. At the time of 5 variable, how this is working, see that at a time only one value change. That's why 000, 001, 010, now 011, again 100, 101, 110, 111. This switching is there at the time of 5 variable, because always remember the rule, at a time only one swapping will be done. At a time only one variable, means 0 to 1, 1 to 0 will change for 2 adjacent values. That's why if it is changing more, then the swapping is required. That's why here 000, 001, 010 going here, 011 going coming here. Same way 100, then 101, again it is going here, coming here. Definitely practice with 5 variable also, at least where I am giving what cell, because rarely sometimes they are asking 5 variable also. Especially I saw Telangana set. Telangana set particularly asking this type of 5 variable question. Those who are preparing for Telangana set, for them it is important. They are not asking with 4 variable, they are asking 5 variable. Other than that, UGC NET or SET other exam I did not saw that much, but others also at least practice for one time with 5 variable, so that at least you know the rule and what are the cell values are coming, that is also definitely practice. 0000, that means it is 0, 0001, this is 1, this is 0010, means this is 2, this is 3, must practice it. Okay, what are the cell values, so that by chance if question came you can do it. This is one way and this is another way. You can separate it into 2 parts and you can do it. Will be more time taking, rather than that this one will be better. Okay. 6 variable also like this, but that much will be not required, I hope so, for your exam purpose. Here this is min term and max term. How we are working with min term and max term, that is x bar, y bar, z bar. That means here min, whenever I am doing 000, then it is bar. In max term 000 means x plus y plus z. That will change as per SOP and POS, right? So it is your POS. You can see whenever I am doing the POS, how the POS is coming. Just now I told you, we are doing the grouping of 0. We will not do the grouping of 1. Here we have to take care of grouping of 0. Wherever 0, that grouping we will do. And at the time of writing also, this is y plus z bar. Same rule we will follow. First do with SOP, then we can do with POS also. Here this is the POS. You can see that. Here we did the grouping as I am telling you, so that the concept will be done. Here we did the grouping 0 0 0 0. Then what will be my answer? How to do that? Same rule. As this column is involved and this 2 row is involved here, so from here I am getting, from this one, what answer I am getting? 0 1 cancel, 0 0 left, that means it is W. So here I can write W left here, and after that here you can see this y bar z, y bar plus z bar. So this is W, then it is product of sum, POS. So it will be W dot y bar plus z bar. This is the way you are getting the answer. Okay. So that's why you are getting the answer here. Sorry, W plus W, sorry, here I did a mistake. Here it will be W plus from the first pair, from this pair, from this one you are getting y bar plus z bar, and 0 1 cancel means it is W. So W plus y bar plus z bar, that one you are getting. So from here you are getting W plus y bar plus z bar, and from this one you will get y plus z, and this one, so 0 1 cancel. Here it is 1 1, that means it is x bar. So you are getting here x bar plus y plus z, y plus z. So final answer is coming x bar plus y plus z dot, from here we got W plus y bar plus z bar. So this is your final answer for POS. You are writing here in sum terms, sum of product of sum. That's why write in sum term and after that do the product. And POS, write in product term, then do the sum. For each and every grouping, here you are making the sum term and then doing product. And for SOP, for each and every grouping you are doing the product term, then doing sum. That is the difference between SOP and POS. And at the time of writing also very careful here. 1 1 means normal complemented variable. 0 0 means normal variable. This is the difference between SOP and POS. And in POS you are doing the grouping of zeros, and in SOP we are doing the grouping of 1. Rules are clear? So for POS, can you tell me what will be the answer for this one? Quickly try. This is a POS. Quickly try. What will be the answer? Don't care, here also you can take. Here also don't care, you can take. That is not a problem. Don't care allowed in both, SOP also, POS also. Here what will be the answer? Try this one for this POS. Answer everyone. Okay, I am getting answer. So what answer I am getting here? I am getting here this answer, because from this pair what value I will get? Here this column and this row and row involved here. First of all 0 1 is going to cancel, that means x is cancelled, W is there. So I am going to get here W plus, from here you are getting this 0 1 cancel, that is y bar is there. So W plus y bar, and from here I will get this total, all these Wx will be cancelled, Wx cancelled, only y plus z bar left. So y plus z, z bar not, y plus z left. So final answer you are getting y plus z dot, from here we got W plus y bar. So your answer is y plus z and w plus y bar. Definitely use the bracket Binaya Sri. If you are not using bracket, then answer is wrong. Must, each and every grouping you should use the bracket. If you are not using bracket, if you are writing like this, then your answer is wrong, because this z will be multiplied with this one. Your answer will change like w plus z y bar. This one and this one is not same. So using bracket and after that doing product is very important, otherwise your answer is wrong. Bracket is playing a very important role. Okay, clear? These are the some examples of POS. You can try definitely how the POS is working. Must try. Now I am giving you some question. Let's practice the question so that total concept will be clear. Here you can see this. Whenever I am doing the pair of this, I am getting this type of answer. Okay. Now solve it. Here question in front of you. Try to solve. Okay, I am getting answer. So simplify this expression. Whenever you are simplifying, how to simplify? Here your answer is option 1. See that how to do it. Here 4 variables are there. So you have to draw the K-map first of all. Draw the K-map A, B, C, D. Zero, 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 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now what are the cell values? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. These are the cell values. Now I am going to put the values here. 0, this is summation given, 0, 2, 5, 7. 0, 2, 5, 7. 8, 10, 13, 15. 8, 10, 13, 15. Now very clearly you can see that how I can do the grouping. I can do the grouping. These all 4, 1 together. If I am making the grouping, what value I am getting here? 0, 1 cancel, 1, 1 left. That means from here I am getting D. And from here this 0, 1 cancel and there is 1, 1. That means from here I am getting B. So BD. Now all the corner there are 4, 1. So I have to take this corner. This corner 1 whenever I am taking, then what result I will get from this corner? This row and this row is involved, this two rows. So it was 0 0. So 0 and 1 cancel, 0 left. That means it is B bar. And this column and this column, so it is 0 1 cancelled, 0 0 means it is D bar. So it is final answer I am getting BD plus B bar D bar. So BD plus B bar D bar, this is my answer. Yes, got it. Those who did this one, they are correct. I got the answer from Pravina, Ishita, Priya, Hemalata, Mathuna, Surjawala, Mohan, Aswati, Sukanya and Kumar. What about others? Others, you are not taking pen and paper. You are not trying to solve. You are not giving answer. What you are thinking? Without pen and paper, without solving, without giving answer, just by watching and looking, everything will be done. I am observing, ma'am. You can't do. You have to take your pen and paper and you have to solve. After that only you can get the answer. Be active in the class. There is no meaning if you are not active and you are just observing the class. Do this. Every year they are asking KMAP question. Every year KMAP is most important topic. Always you are getting question from KMAP, so don't ignore it. I am not giving poll so that I can read your names, those who are giving, and don't try to copy the answer from your friend. Do the chat only for you. Don't copy the answer. Solve it by yourself. Then write down in the chat. Then only I can understand you are actually doing correct or wrong. Where are you? You are able to understand or not. Don't try to do cheating with yourself. Then actually you will be cheated. Yeah, answers I am getting. So here, what is the answer? Option 2 is the correct answer. Quickly solve it. How fast you have to do, that is the practice. This is practice. I have to do 4. So here AB, here CD, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now I am going to place the values 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 11 and 15. 11 and 15. So how to make the grouping? Grouping exactly this one and this one. This is the grouping. So from this grouping I am getting all AB cancel. I am particularly getting 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is actually CD. And from this grouping I will get 0 0. This is 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is 0 1 cell. That means A bar B. I will get here A bar B and all CD cancel because total row involved, that's why here AB cancel. Total column involved, that's why here CD cancel. So here I am getting CD, here I am getting A bar B. So final answer is A bar B plus CD. Got it? That's why option 2 is the correct answer. Now tell me, what is the answer for this one? Very few members are answering. Till now you are not answering. There is no meaning. I am telling you all, those who are till now silent and you are not trying to do, there is no meaning like this way. You can't survive like this way. I got the answer for this question. Praveena, Nirosha, Reshma, Priya, Aswati, Ishita, Nayana, Surjawala, Nitya, Hemalata, Sridhanya, Kumar, Gomathi, Mathuna and Nehela. These people only will now also they are answering, and after result also they are going to come into the topper list. They will crack the exam and maybe they will get the Eclat award also, those who will come to the top, and you will only see, okay, they passed the exam. At that time also I was watching the class. Now also I have to watch the class. After that you have to tell me, ma'am, already 2 times I took the subscription, I pay the money. Can you give me discount, ma'am? It is not my fault, it is your fault. You come, pay the money, do the class properly and go. There is no meaning of repetition again and again, one batch to another batch. I don't want anyone to repeat the batches. I want every time fresh batch. One batch, come, crack the exam and go. No need to repeat. If you are giving your 100%, I am sure that you will crack, because I am giving my 100%. If you are not giving your 100%, then the repetition will be required. It is wastage of time. Don't waste your time like this way. Yeah, I got the answer. Good. Now, Ishita, those who are giving option 2, they are wrong. This is the problem here. Ishita, Mathuna, Gomathi, Hemalatha, those who are giving option 2, open your eyes. Sridhanya, open your eyes, open your eyes. Opening eyes most important. Opening eyes most important. Here, see that this is the mistake. You are not going to get 2 out of 1. There is no marks like that. You are going to get 2 out of 1. You are getting 0 out of 2. Because you are choosing only this one. You are not thinking about other possibilities. Whenever there is option like this, then please think once. Think once that yes, I got the answer, but is there any other possibility or not? You got B, but you see that in another option B and D both are there. So at least observe one time that D is also possible or not. Without observing, if you are clicking this, after spending your time, after learning also, in exam hall you are not getting marks. Because of little bit more concentration, more focus is required. You need to improve here. Right? Because you did not check at all कि this is possible or not. You are getting here because of that 0. Right? So here, why this is correct? There are 2 possibilities actually coming. That's why this one is correct. These are the trap of the examiner. Be careful about the trap of the examiner. A, B, C, D, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now here 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 12, 13, 14, 15. 12, 13, 14, 15 and 6 here. Now you see that when I am doing the grouping, this 2 grouping is okay. This one also I am getting grouping, this one also I am getting grouping. From this grouping one answer I am getting, this grouping one answer I am getting. That is okay. This is for both, it is coming same. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So for that, this is all CD cancel. This is 0, 0 means you are getting here A bar, B bar. For this one, you are getting AB. That is correct. So I am getting AB plus A bar, B bar. You see in option B also this is AB plus A bar B bar. Option D also AB plus A bar B bar. Now the problem is with this one and this one. Why? Because there are two possibilities for this one. Till now there is only one left. I can make the grouping of this one. If I am doing this grouping, then I am getting one answer. If I am doing like this type of grouping here, I am getting one answer. That is here this 0 and 1 cancel. That means 0 0 means it is A bar then C D bar. A bar C D bar. Right? So you are getting here this one A bar C D bar. If I am not doing this grouping, here if I am doing this grouping like this one was there na, and here was also 1. If I am doing this grouping, instead of that if I am doing this grouping, then what answer I am getting? Here this 0 1 will cancel. I am getting here B, and from here I am getting again C D bar. So B C D bar. This is also possible because two types of groupings are there. This is also possible, this is also possible. Because in the middle there was 1. I can make the grouping of these two, or I can make the grouping of these two. Two possibilities are there. That's why you are getting this answer. And this is most important. In GATE, this type of question called MSQ, and in UGC NET it is MCQ, but they are making jumble together all the option and creating difficult. This is the way exam paper was difficult. Easy question, but in option they are making twist and you are doing mistake. Clear? Clear to everyone? Now tell me, what is the answer for this? I need answer from everyone. Those who are till now silent, I explain everything, each and every question I am solving in front of you. I am not showing like that, okay, this is answer and going next. I am solving, I am explaining, so that at least your total concept will be clear. But still now you are silent, then why you are coming to the class? Please come to the class with pen and paper. Leave all your work, focus on class, do everything, then go, so that your learning will be complete. Ma'am, grouping as 2, 4, 6 even number based. No. 3 grouping you cannot do. 2. You can do the grouping of 2. 3 you cannot. It should be always 2 to the power n. 2, 4, 8. 3 variable grouping you cannot do. Getting answer from Sandeep. Correct or wrong, that I will say. Sandeep, Sukanya, Nayana. Waiting for others. Ishita. Others are stuck. Okay, let's see out of this what. Those who told B, they are correct. Those who told D, Sandeep wrong. Nayana wrong. Sandeep and Nayana, wrong answer. Grouping is very, very important. Gave the answer, but you are wrong. Nahela, Nirosha, Sridhanya, Nitya, they are correct. Vinasri, wrong. C, wrong. Here grouping is most important. You see the grouping here. When this is don't care, this is also don't care, here also, I need to cover maximum number of 1. My target is maximum number of 1. If required, I can take the help of don't care also. So that's why here you can see here one was there. I can cover these all together because don't care is there. I can do. But here if I am doing it, then this one is left. So instead of this one, you did this one actually, and that's why you are doing mistake. Instead of that, your target will be how I can cover all the one. You are trying to see, okay, easy way I can do it. But then this one is left, right? Your target will be how I can cover all the one. So that's why this grouping is wrong. Instead of that, if I am doing like this type of grouping, then actually you see in upper part all the one is covered. In upper part all the one is covered. This is called wrap around. The wrap around is very important here. So when I did the wrap around, what is my value? Answer is coming. This 2 column is involved here. That's why 0, 1 cancel. Here this 0, this 1 will be cancelled. And here this 2 row is involved here. This 0, this 1 is cancelled. So here you are getting answer actually 0, 0 left means this is B bar. And this is CD. There you are getting D cancel, that means C bar. You are getting here B bar, C bar. After that, I can do the grouping of, I can do the cancellation, do it in your mind, okay. After that you see that till now this one is left. Only for this one I will do the corner grouping, because our target is to get the minimized result. I have to get the minimized result. So I can do this corner grouping with the help of overlapping. I can do the overlapping, right? So when I did the corner wrapping, what is my answer? Here this row and this row is involved. So 0, 1 is cancelled. You are getting here 0, 0, that means D bar. And this column and this column is involved. So 0, 1 cancel. This is 0, 0 means B bar. So here you are getting B bar. So final answer is B bar, D bar and B bar, C bar. So your answer is B bar, D bar and B bar, C bar. Always your target will be as much as possible increase the size of the group. Take the help of overlapping, take the help of don't care, but make it simplified expression. Got it? After doing that is no problem. Anything you can do, Pravina. After doing corner we can do only overlapping 1, 1, no problem. Whatever you are doing first, second, that is not a problem. I did all corner 1, cell 6 is yes. Clear? Clear to everyone? So your observation power is most important and thought process. Think again. Any other way is possible. That is most important. Now can you tell me the answer for this one? Here D means don't care. Don't be confused. D means here don't care. In these values you can put cross. After that you can make the grouping. Okay, I am getting answer. So your answer is option 2 here. How it is? See that. Again I have to draw. See that for you how many times I am drawing. I am teaching from last 5 years and every time I am drawing that much, and every time for explaining always I am trying to draw, trying to solve and then trying to explain you. So that's why my practice is increasing, but you have to increase your practice also, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 15. Now here the values are, you can see it is summation, that means 1. Summation is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 8, 9, 12 and 13. And after that the don't care is in 10, 11. So 10, 11, 14 and 15. 14 and 15. These are the don't care condition, right? Now you have to see that how I am able to make the grouping. Yes. So how I can able to make the grouping. Okay. Now you see that. Here I have to see this one. All these should be wrapped. I can do that. But still this 1, 1, 1 is left. Now my target is that how I can cover these all 1. That is my target, right? Now tell me, can I do here? First of all, if I am doing all these, that is done, okay. If I am doing these all, that is one grouping. But after that also this 3, 1 is left. What to do with this 3, 1? What to do with this 3, 1? For this 2, 1, should I do like this? Or I can do the wrap around. Always our target will be to make it larger. So instead of doing this grouping, I can do like this one and this one. Yes. Till now 1, 1 is left. This one is left. To do that, I need to make corner. I can do this corner, this one, this one, this one and this one. Then actually all are done. Then actually all these are done. Yes or no? Right. So means you are doing here total how many grouping? So total how many grouping? Is this correct? What do you think? Is this correct? I did here corner 1 grouping, here another grouping 2 and here 3. This 3 grouping we did here. And from this 3 grouping, is it correct or wrong? What do you think? Is this correct grouping or wrong grouping? Is it possible in any other way of grouping? I am using some different color of grouping so that it will be not confusing. This is a different group and another color I am using here. This is a different. Okay, these are the 3 groupings are there, right? So now you see that how I am getting the answer. For the answer from this larger group, I am getting the answer all CD cancel, 0, 1 cancel, that means I am getting A. Now from this green color group, that is wrap around, from this wrap around I am getting what? This 0, 1 cancel, that is C bar, and this 0, 1 cancel, that means B bar. So you are getting here B bar, C bar, and from this corner, this all the corner, first of all this row and this row is involved, 0 1 will be cancelled, 0 0 means I am getting here B bar, and from this 2 0 1 cancel means this is 0, that is D bar. So I am getting here D bar. So my final answer is A plus B bar D bar plus B bar C bar. So your answer is coming this one. Clear? Yes. You need to improve your thought process. This is the way you can solve. So now tell me the answer for this one. No, it's not wrong. Correct only. Why wrong? Gomat, who was telling Binaya Street's wrong? Why? Binaya Street, now clear or not? According to option, it's correct. It is actually correct. According to option, it's correct. Not. It is actually correct. That one was actually correct. Not according to option. Your target will be to make the larger group. Tell me, what is the answer for this one? The answers I am getting. By looking this, you will be little confused because nothing is mentioned here. You are doing SOP or POS. Because by looking the option, maximum students will be confused with POS. It is not POS, it is actually SOP. You are doing grouping of 0 or 1, there you are getting confused. Actually this is little bit carefully if you saw, then it is actually SOP, it is not POS. Because you see that SOP means sum of product. Actually this multiplication if you are doing, this is outside there is plus. Here also outside there is plus. Outside plus means it is definitely SOP, sum of product. It is not product of sum. Product of sum means outside there will be definitely product. Okay. So I have to do the grouping of 1. Here also I have to do the grouping of 1, not the zeros. Whenever I am doing the grouping of 1 like this way, from this group I am getting B, from this group I am getting DA, and from this group I am getting CD. So ultimate I am getting B plus DA plus CD. Only one twist was there in the option. That option was just like after common. So if you are taking common D, then you are getting A plus C. So to match the option, you have to take the common and you have to give the answer. So finally, you are getting the answer, this one. Got it? Clear? This is very simple one. After doing all this, it's very simple. You can do it and you can give me the answer. I will wait for your comment. Now this is your turn. You have to, all of you have to answer and give me the comment that what is the answer for this one. Till now so many questions I solved for you. Now it is your turn. Solve it and give me the answer in the comment. I want answer from everyone, those who are watching till now. from last 1 hour 15 minutes or like that I am explaining you. Now at least 2 minutes you can spend from your end to solve it and give me the comment. I want comment from everyone. I want answer from everyone. Please try.